In this class, we have a collection of 14 students, mostly freshmen and sophomore, who work on Chromebooks and iPads for the district. They initially were trained in the middle school under Dan Wilmore's program at Mac Middle, and then moved up to our program here at the high school.
We do a Chromebook repair for the entire building and for the district. So we're in-house, so when a kid has a problem, something breaks, they bring it in and we can repair it and get it out to them in usually 10 or 15 minutes.
This is just one more roadblock that we've been able to remove. You know, whenever kids are trying to do their assignments and they can't, whether they have a broken screen, the device just doesn't work, now they're not sitting there waiting with a broken one. They've already got a replacement, and in the meantime, that broken one is either being shipped off or repaired by their peers.
We grab a computer, unless we have something else to do, we start to break it down, figure out the problem. It's very interesting to see all the different parts and how the Chromebook works.
I've definitely learned how to pay more attention to detail, and that every step has its own process, and that it's very important to follow each process as it's being told to you.
Currently, they work on Chromebooks and iPads exclusively. In the future, we hope to include things like minor networking, and they also are an extension of the tech department for the district in that if a teacher has a problem here in the building, they'll be dispatched to see if they can resolve it before we involve district IT.
We don't have to send it out anywhere to get it repaired. We can fix things right away. Our normal turnaround is 10 to 15 minutes. We can have it back to the student back in the class. And it's for the district. It makes it easier for them to not have to ship it off. We get it taken care of here, get it back to them, and they get it where it needs to go.
It's saving money and time, actually, because if I have a tech who has to drive out to a school, it takes time to get there, it takes time to get back, it also takes money to fuel their vehicle. In the end, we've got all these devices who have a certain kind of warranty on them, and we're getting that warranty to its fullest extent.
It's definitely a good skill in life because you can be self-reliant on your own self. If your phone breaks, you know how to fix it because the technology inside the phone is kind of similar to the iPad.
It's something different. It's not like a customary classroom. They come in and it's hands-on, and they kind of take it themselves. They take the lead and do what they need to do with it. So it gives them a sense of responsibility.
It gives students the opportunity to do something they enjoy and find interest in.
I just think that the best part of this whole program is it's not my team doing it. This is middle school and high school kids who have learned how to do it, and they're maintaining our Chromebook and iPad fleet right now.
In high school, we built computer labs for the district when we were juniors and seniors, my friends and I. And so to see this next generation, or for me, a couple generations down, get just as involved in the current iterations of technology is pretty fantastic.